create a specialized tutorial on restoring vintage vehicle photography and enhancing classic car images for enthusiast and commercial purposes. Teach bringing out chrome and metal details in classic vehicles. Demonstrate selective sharpening that emphasizes vehicle condition and detail. Cover color restoration for vintage paint jobs. Teach creating pristine appearance without appearing restored. Include techniques for removing rust appearance while maintaining authenticity. Demonstrate how to enhance automotive detail without artificial appearance. This tutorial targets classic car photographers, automotive enthusiasts, and vintage vehicle dealers.